way, please. Start in this corner, come this way. Start in that corner, come this way. We're going to walk on.
It's on. Okay.
All right, home maintenance masonry here again. Today we're doing a job where we have some tile work that we're going to be dealing with. The problem with this tile work is that whoever did the job, number one, they didn't do their job right. The materials really wasn't strong enough for the weathering process, where we get a lot of rain, a lot of weathering. This area right here is basically inside a screened-in porch, and this screened-in porch is in here. It's okay, but we're going to clean all this, and then we're going to, once we clean all this, then we're going to do a seal on it. So follow me out here and I'll show what else we're doing. From this point right here, all the way out this way, where we have all the watering coming down, weathering, and we just got to blowing all the leaves off and get all the weathering done. This is an area right here where it's just, I mean, look at it. It's just turned to crap. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come in between all these tiles and we're going to saw out all this excess mortar. We're going to saw out between all these joints. Once we saw them all out, then we're going to fill it all back in today, have it all, then we're going to have to take sponges and sponge it all clean. Then we're going to come back tomorrow and clean the film of mortar off of all of this. Then once we do all that, then Saturday we'll come back and we'll do a real pretty seal on the top of it. This whole entire deck is built on top of wood. So when you come around this way, you'll look, it's got a lot of imperfections. See all the obvious holes? See how that's coming up right there with my finger? See all this? There's a lot of places. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come in here and we're just going to saw out with this saw every joint. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down through here and saw it all out. Then we're going to take this blower, we're going to blow it all out, make it look real good, get all the loose stuff out of it. Once we do that, it's ready to do the job. So we're showing you what it looks like now. We're going to do a video of what it looks like once we clean all the joints out, get all the joints cleaned out, do another video, and then we'll do another video after we finish. So if you ever had any tile work that you're having any problems with, loose materials, tiles that are loose, go to repairsforyourhome.com, and we appreciate it so much you watching all of our videos and looking at our work. We can help you, and we can do you a good job. If you're willing to pay the price, then we're going to give you a fair, a very, very competitive price. We can really, really help you. So go to repairsforyourhome.com, repairsforyourhome.com, and go to our contact page and leave us some information about what you need done. And thank you so much. Steve Reed here with Home Maintenance Masonry, telling you that we appreciate you, and goodbye. Okay, we've already got everything cleaned out. Matter of fact, if you'll notice, in between every joint of the stones, both ways, all this has been cut out. We've got it blowed out. We've got it cleaned out and everything. Come around this way and show you some more. See how you look at that way? Everything is cleaned out in between all the joints. And what we're doing right now is we're getting ready to put our materials in. So this has got a real pretty color to it. So we've got to color it. We're actually putting it in. Once we put it in between the tile, then we'll take these sponges and sponge them clean. So this is kind of the process, and you can look and see what Mark's already done right here. Look at this. So he's actually already done put it in with a grout bag, and now we're going to come back over it and mash it down in between the joints, and then we're going to sponge it clean. So you've already seen what it looks like. This is how we do it. We've blowed all the mortar in between all these tiles, sawed it, blowed it out, and now it's ready for the materials to put in it. And that's how you do a good job, and that's what we're doing for this customer. So right now we've showed you this. We're going to show you a finished product on the next video. Thank you so much for watching all of our videos. We appreciate you so much, and we hope that you call us. Thank you very much, and goodbye. All right, Home Maintenance Masonry here again. We have basically about halfway through with this job. What we've done is we came in, sawed out all this mortar in between all the tile, because the mortar had deteriorated. We actually, on the inside of the screened-in porch, we're going to put a seal on this entire porch. Actually, we're going to clean it today, and get it ready so we can come back tomorrow and do a seal on it. So, but out here, you can see out here where we've all down through here, This has all been remortared in, every bit of this. This has got new mortar between all of it. This looks great. The key is what Mark done was we sponged this, and he sponged it very, very smooth. And when you sponge it like that, that's what makes it real clean. See how there's hardly no mortar on the tile at all? So that's the quality of the workmanship, is to clean it real good. But today we're going to do a final cleanup on it. We're going to take a little bit of boracic acid, mix it, dilute it with some water, and we're going to go over the whole entire surface. Once that's done, it's clean. And then we're going to come back. You can see it. You can see what it looks like. It's going to look a whole lot better once we clean it. But we're going to come back tomorrow, and then we're going to do a seal. And the seal that we're going to put on this, see, this is outdoors. And what's happened is it's getting a lot of weathering. So we're going to seal it, which is going to help prevent the water over a period of time deteriorating the mortar. And we're going to do a seal on here and inside the screening porch. And the seal that we're going to use is going to have a sheen to it, which is going to be kind of a real shiny. It's called the wet look. It's going to really look pretty. The homeowners are real happy with what they've seen so far, and they're so glad that they hired us. And we'd just love for you to call us, and so we can come out and look at the job for you and bid your job, and hopefully we can do some business too. So if you have any tile, outdoors or inside, anything that's deteriorating on you, popping up, and the tiles are loose, the mortar's deteriorated, and you'd like to have us to come and look at it and give you a price, please call us and go to our website. You'll see all the different cities we work in. Our website address is repairsforyourhome.com, repairsforyourhome.com, and go to the contact page and leave the information, describe what it is you need done, and I promise you we'll call you back soon. So we'll show you another video after this is all said and done with a seal on it, but this is tremendously 100% better, and we're so thankful that you are watching our videos, and please call us, and goodbye.
Here we are back with home maintenance masonry, guys. And I'm going to get a final picture of this tile job we resurfaced at home maintenance masonry. I want to tell y'all guys something. And we had to cut all the mortar joints out of this, and we replaced it back with some good mortar. And also we've put a seal on this right here, and if you look at it, buddy, I'll tell you, it's just shining like glass through here. It really looks good, guys. And we also done this part in here, and as you can tell, it just shines. See how it shines? I'll tell y'all guys, if y'all need some work like this done with y'all home maintenance masonry, we are the men that can get it done for you at a good price. And we thank you for your time, and God bless.